Got him, Dad?
Yeah, keep going, wind. Lift him up, he's under, let him run, that's alright. And lift up, that's it. Wind.
This is hurting my arm.
I'm just at my young fella's school, picking him up from school. He's been asking me all week, so keen to go for a fish. I've been putting it off, haven't been able to, and he doesn't know yet, but I'm going to surprise him. I'm going to let him know that we're going fishing in about an hour. We're going to go chase a Jew. He's never caught a Jew, so yeah, let's see how he reacts. He's going to be stoked. All right, here he comes. Hey mate, how you going? How's your day?
You know, I had news today about my big flooded and how we're going on the boat on Friday.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
I got some bad news and some good news.
Okay, what?
We can't go fishing on the boat tomorrow night now.
Why? Okay, what's the good news?
Good news is we're about to go home, hook up the boat and go out tonight.
That's even better!
Excited?
Yeah.
What are we going to catch?
Are we going to the...
And don't say where. Do you want to get in the boat? Have you put... Yeah, the batteries need to be turned on. Behind the esky, there's a switch. Switch it around to both. Now put the motor down. So stop that beeping, turn it off. Yeah, and turn it back on. Yeah, Coop, you got to put this on, buddy.
Okay.
In there. There you go.
Yay!
So, screen going to be on your right side?
Yeah.
Are you turning the GoPro on,
Yeah, man.
Yay!
Yeah, Coop.
Can I see this? So should I wind it in and then wait a little moment and then push now?
Yeah. No, just slowly lift up and then drop back down and then do a little line. Yep. Yeah.
Have you got one?
Oh, bro.
Can I wind it in?
Stop.
Can I wind it
Hey,
in?
kids. Come over here, buddy. Stand on this side of the boat.
Come here, Coop.
Is it a big chewy?
Yeah, it's a G. Don't let the line go slack. Right? Let him run, it's alright. Got it? Wind down. Wind it down and lift it up like this. Wind down. Oh, he's pulling hard back at you. That's alright, let him go. Now, that's alright, keep going. You got him.
Hold on.
Hold it right up here if you can. One.
Keep going. Use the muscles.
I'm gonna let go of the rod and you got it all by yourself for a second, okay? Ready? Don't let go of the rod.
Good
Keep
work.
going. You're right. He's pulling hard, isn't he? Do you want me to have a go?
Good boy. There's your arms.
Good.
Good.
Yeah, good. Look, watch me. See how I'm lifting the rod up and then winding it as I bring it down. Yep. Just make sure that line stays tight. Keep going. That's it. Lift it up, wind down.
Wow. Oh, mate. So good.
This is gonna be.
Is that the biggest fish you've ever felt?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Hang on, we've got to be careful here because he's coming near the motor. Alright, go over near Jordan.
Ready, Dad?
Yeah, keep going. Wind. Lift him up. He's under. Well, wait, let him run. That's alright. And lift up. That's it. Wind.
This is hurting my arm.
Do you want me to have a go?
You got it?
Let me know if you want me to take it.
Oh, it's a good one, Coop.
Wind down. That's it. Now lift up. He's coming up. See him?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. Might need to back up. So back up over here so we can get the net near him. Right?
Oh, we got it.
Yay!
Mate, is that the biggest fish you've ever caught?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Did I catch her?
Yeah.
Oh, Mike,
I got it on camera and everything.
Right.
Yay! My first doing. I want to hold him.
Yeah, get your gloves on.
That's all.
I want to see his inside. I see that's what. So are we gonna kill?
Alright, Coop, see where my hand is in here?
Yeah.
You need to put your fingers in wherever mine are. With your gloves on, should be fine. So, thumb in one side. Yeah, that's it. Now lift him up.
Don't put your hands in his mouth.
You got it now, don't put your hands. Grip that really tight and lift him up. Hold him there really tight still. You got to hold that hand really tight.
Yep. Good boy.
Oh.
Well done.
Hey, you got to hold it in front of the GoPro too, so you go on YouTube. What do you say? What do you reckon?
Best fish ever.
Right. That's good.
Wait,
Send
what?
that to Mum.
That man says fishing.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought my rod was
Yeah,
on.
buddy. Yeah, move it. There you go. Go up the back of the boat.
Do you want to see the photo, Coop?
Yeah.
I just sent it to Mum.
I wish you could print it out.
Print it out.
Oh, can you? Because I want to show my friends at school.
Right.
Hey, Zach,
I want to have another look at him.
That's on the hooker.
he took a good first run.
When they see the boat, they love to skim over on the boat.
Lobster? Yeah, like bait fish. Oh, yes.
Okay, I wanna. Can I wind it in? Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Okay. Wind it, mate. Wind it. Don't let go of that rod. That's it. Perfect. Lift it up. Now wind down.
I feel pulling.
F. He's running away. Oh, he dropped off.
Dang it.
That's alright. That's alright.
Where are
They
those?
pull hard, don't they?
Yeah.
Where are those friggin'?
Have you got one again? How's you got one again?
Maybe.
Where is the net?
Up the front of the boat, buddy.
Oh, can I
Yeah, Coop.
And can I hold? Oh, it's a big one.
Nah, I'll chuck him back. You can hold his tail for me in front of the GoPro.
Oh, it's slippery. I'll flood it.
Oh,
So what you need to get negative.
Ah!
500 getting started is simple. And once you're up and running, you'll find yourself.
Oh, that's the biggest kick in the guts. I've got a scale on you.
Oh, yes.
Kalua.
Hey, Floody.
You're loving that fire, babe. Ooh. Time to go soon. Those mozzies are coming on strong. Alright, Daddy, have one more cast, alright? Whoa. Holy demon. Daddy might not do one more cast. Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh my God, they're like everywhere.
What do you reckon? Was that a good sesh?
Yeah,
Did you have fun?
yeah. Thousands of mozzies.